Just uploaded the report for January the 26th, latest portfolios, and the stock index portfolio 27 is one of the leaders. Even though it's down on the month, it is holding its worst case drawdown. This was developed over a year ago, except for one update in the middle of last year. And you see it is down and a drawdown right in this range where it's been before. Trades stock, E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. Let's look at the 200K. It was down 6,000 again today. Another worst case drawdown, down about almost 21%. And so let's look at the drawdown here. Let's look at it. Let's look at just the stock indexes as well. So we're $8,000 away from a worst case drawdown in the stock index portfolio. Let's see where we are in the stock indexes in the 200K portfolio. And the way we can isolate that is just removing the non-stock index markets here. And let's see, we're at 29.3 out of 32,575. And so that could give you a low risk $3,200 drawdown entry point right there, just to trade the stock indexes in the 200K as well, to get another surge higher potentially. It's down 22K on the month. It's down, and a $29,000 drawdown as a drawdown started last month. And let's look at, so yeah, it's down here. It's beyond any recent time period, and but it's not exceeded that. So let's look at the commodities only in the 200K portfolio. In the top, there was a portfolio that was a profitable portfolio today. So the commodities are way down here, 4K from a worst case drawdown. They're in a drawdown at the same time, the commodities and the stock indexes. And so while they're not at their worst case separated, the portfolio is at its worst case because they've both never been in this much of a drawdown at the same time. The micro, let me put these back in here. And then the micro portfolio aggressive, not the NQ20, but the aggressive was actually up on the day. So up 483. It is, let's take a look at this one. This one trades gold actually too. But it is also in a drawdown. And so we haven't changed this one since November 24th, 2020. So it's only down 2,100 on the month. It was up 6,000 last month, up 21,000 last year. And that's the micro. Let's look at the micro portfolio NQ20. $25,000 drawdown. If you remember the max drawdown, if you go back to mid 2016, is only 4K. So from here forward, it's only about, the worst case drawdown is right at 4K. And so we're $1,500 away from a worst case drawdown in the micro NQ20. It was down today. Our live results were a little better than this. For the setups that started from the beginning of the day, some of my setups missed the first trade. Minus 582.50 on the day. Real results were better than that. And let's look at the conservative. The conservative version is in a worst case drawdown. And let's look at the 500K All Strategy Access. $53,000 drawdown. Just absolute massive swings in volatility today. Let's just expand this. Let's see what it is with just the stock indexes. So 32 out of 40. So the stock indexes are the strength. And let's look at, I'm going to undo the removal of that. We've already looked at the stock index. We'll look at the 200K. Let's look at the 50K portfolio, 16,365. We're trading the micro NQ portfolio instead of the 50K portfolio. We're trading two micro NQs instead of the 200K portfolio. And so there's the trades. There's the results through January the 26th. Tough trading period. The extra volatility brings in worst case drawdowns. So we're scaling back to these micros. And so we stick with the theme, trade small or not at all. And if you trade small, mainly focus on the stock index, the stock index portfolio 27, stock indexes in the 200K, or the micro NQ20. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.